Hi, my name is Melissa Goodstein, and I'm a collaborative attorney and mediator located in the Hudson Valley of New York. And I'm also the vice president of the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals. And today I'm going to continue my series of the role of the collaborative attorney in the collaborative process with my friend and colleague, Ken Novenstern, who happens to be the president of the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals. And last time we just spoke about how you find a collaborative professional and how you go about the selection of a collaborative professional, of a collaborative attorney. And today I'm going to speak to you about the paradigm shift that's required of a collaborative attorney. It's not a traditional advocacy role that you may be familiar with in a traditional attorney role where you're advocating for positions. In the collaborative process, you're really the framework is interests and concerns. And from there, an attorney is going to be representing the interest of concerns of their client, but also holding a space and understanding the interest and concerns of the spouse and really the other members of the family as well. And working together, not against, with the rest of the collaborative team, more particularly with the other collaborative counsel. They're not my adversary in a traditional adversarial process, but they're my counterpart. I'm working with them so that we can get a better understanding of the interest and concerns and the objectives and the motivations behind the positions. We have to kind of unpeel an onion, if you will. If your client wants a house, you want to understand why they want the house, get more understanding and getting more insight into the motivations of what that house means to them and working with them to unpeel that and to unpeel and really get to the heart of it, what those interests and what those concerns are. And when you get to that, you're really able to formulate a whole other opportunity for problem solving creatively with this entire team, including with my counterpart as well, and really understanding it's really, really essential to understand what the spouse's underlying concerns are and interests, because together we're going to get that commonality of what they share and help really evaluate and brainstorm options that meets these goals and these interests and these objectives. So I need to work with my counterpart in a really effective way and not against to achieve this outcome. And what Ken's going to speak to you a little bit about further is then when we find these interests, so what do? We have these interests, we have these concerns. What do we do? What's the next step in the role of the collaborative attorney in the process, in brainstorming options, evaluating options that meet these goals, because the end result is to help our clients reach a settlement that is responsive to their highest interests, their highest objectives, and reach a settlement. And so Ken's going to speak to you about that. And if you want more information about the collaborative process, about my services, you can check out my website, check out the NYCP website. And I really thank you for listening and continuing, and we'll continue our series further, but looking forward to hear Ken's part on this series. So thank you so much. Bye.